Project 66R update? Maybe. One bid? Update? Nope. Well, I've been working on this door stand here, and one of the things I decided that I need a solid stand to work on these doors when I paint them and sand them and buff them. So I've got my test door on there from the old four-door sedan, and basically I made this out of bed frames and some scrap angle iron that some shipping, like a shipping crate at work, and I saw that and I said, hey, I got dibs on that. So the square pieces were already welded up like that, and I just took the straight pieces and welded those, and I got the bed frame, which has got a rivet right here. I did purchase this drilled angle there so I could adjust it, but that adjusts up and down, and that way hopefully I'll be able to spray the doors, and I can tip them. Let's see, I got all this, so I can tip it up quite a ways. So whatever I need to do to spray and or sand, whatever it takes, because obviously you got to paint underneath there. And I'm going to be painting a separation line on both ends. So I've got about $12 in this thing. I think that's what the drilled angles cost, and some hardware. But there's spare bed frames. They're everywhere. I mean, I asked a couple guys, hey, you got any old bed frames? I got more bed frames. I could build like 6, 7 of these things. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. I got this bolted up here today. And what I did on this door, I just run some self-tapping screws in. I probably won't be doing that on Project 66R. I'll make some type of a hanger or bracket. But I wanted to see what the angle was like and see how it's going to do. And this is going to be my practice paint door. So when I get my red paint, my torch red paint, or Cherokee red, whatever you want to call it, I can use this as a practice layout here. So hopefully I can get after this thing pretty quick. Finally got all my yard work done for the year, lawnmowers put away. So hopefully I can get on this sucker and get some red paint on the cowl there and down the sides, and we'll go from there.